Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and to today's video. Little bit of a different unboxing for you today. This box was given to me for Christmas by one of my beautiful sisters, and she actually wrote on the tag, I'm not going to show you the tag, I'm going to read it. It says, "Merry Christmas, a sample selection by Lizzie for your next video." So here it is, our Liz. Here is the video showing everybody what you chose for me and the samples that you want me to try, which I will do, and then obviously I'll give an update video to say how I've got on with them. But my beautiful sister Lizzie, she got me a Birchbox. There we go. Now, if you don't know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription service, and it costs £10 a box plus £2.95 P&P. At the moment there is a special offer on the website, which is to get your first box for just £5 plus your £2.95 P&P. I will of course link their website details down below. Not sure when this video is going to go up, so if that offer's expired, I do apologise. But I'm sure there will be other offers on there for your first box at a discounted rate. So first of all, I just want to show you the box. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's like a little drawer. So cute. And we're going to open it up and see what we've got. Are you ready? Here we go. Now obviously I have already opened this and had a look, but I wanted to show everybody what exactly I've got inside of there. There we go. So I'm going to take the products out one by one. Now there's no little card to tell me what anything's worth or anything like that, so we're literally just going to go through each of the products. So the first one is by a company called Daily Concepts, and it's a multifunctional soap sponge in charcoal. And it says, achieve a deep and detoxifying clean with this soap and charcoal infused sponge. So it just says, simply wet and lather, cleanse skin in circular motions. I was going to say, is there something else in there? No. I thought it said something else on there, but no. So that's a facial sponge, which I'm really pleased about, and I'm excited to try it. Of course, like I say, I will let you know how I get on with it and what I think to it. The next product, now this I have actually tried on my video, I've got a video on my channel testing out this product, and I really do like it. I will link that video up here for you now if you want to go and watch that. And it's the pink Sand and Sky pink clay mask, Australian pink clay mask. This is a lovely little travel size. It's absolutely beautiful. I have to say, when I tried it previously, my skin felt so soft afterwards. It really did. Not the cheapest product in the world, but personally I think it's worth it. So I'm really pleased that that's in there as well. Thank you. Next product, now this I'm really excited about. This is a Nux product. Now Nux are quite an expensive brand. I have had my eye on a couple of items actually. Not this particular one, I have to say. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. This is the MultiPurpose Nourishing Oil, and it's for the face, body and hair. Anybody who's been with me a while, you'll know that I am testing out some hair oils at the moment. As you can tell, I do dye my hair, so it does make it quite dry. And I'm enjoying using them. Really easy to use. You just, before you style your hair, when your hair's damp after you got out of the shower or whatever, very small amount in your hands, rub it together to warm it up, ruffle it through, pull it through, comb it through, and then style as normal. And I am noticing a difference, so that's really good. Oh, the smell of this is divine. It's like, got my nose. There's a baby talc type smell to it, but there's something else in there. And honestly, this is about the 4th time I've smelled this and I can't put my finger on it. So I've no idea what it is, but it does smell absolutely divine. So I'm really excited to try that. Excellent. And the next item is a Garnier Organic, and it's an Anti-Age Day Care. Now, I did have to read this. It's a little sample sachet, and I think it's a day cream. It's a moisturising day cream, and that looks and sounds gorgeous because it's got lavender in, and I absolutely adore lavender, anything lavender. It's a vegan formula as well, so, and it says on it all skin types, even sensitive, which will probably be why Arliz has chose this for me, because she knows how sensitive my skin is. She also did give me some other presents beside this Birchbox, which was from fantastic Harry Potter makeup bags. I am a bit of a Harry Potter geek, I have to say. I love Harry Potter. And inside, she'd put a couple of sheet masks for me, one of which was the Garnier Lavender Sheet Mask. So I'm going to enjoy one day using the sheet mask and then popping the day cream on afterwards. Can't wait to try those. The other sheet mask she's got me, I've just got to show you, because I actually saw these myself and had a chuckle. It's the Harry Potter Death Eater sheet mask, charcoal infused sheet mask from Primark. I can't wait, I can't wait. I tell you what, I hope when I've got that on somebody comes to the door. I really, really do, because it's going to scare the living daylights out of them. So that's a bit of a giggle and I like that, so that's wicked. So back to the Birchbox. So we've done 4 items, and the last one, I love this packaging. Look at that. Holographic. I could stare at that all day. And it's a Diamond Eye Brighten and Depuff eye mask. Now, I need a bit of depuffing, I definitely do. Again, I have been trialling different eye creams at the moment, and I do feel as though they've helped. Maybe it's not as much as I'd like, and certainly they're not getting rid of the darkness underneath, but the bags are reducing, which is awesome. So this has got it's got diamond and caffeine extract in it, so I will be really, really excited to try that and see if it does take down that puffiness. It's something I've always suffered with, not just because I'm getting older and lack of sleep, although that doesn't help. So I just wanted to do a little quick video just to show you that beautiful little present that my gorgeous sister's got me. And like I say, they are a subscription service, so yes, you can pay monthly. You can also do 3, 6 and 12 month subscriptions. The 12-month one, I think you actually save £10, so it's like, you know, pay for 11 boxes and you get your 12th one free. They do generally tend to be more sample sizes rather than full sizes, but it's a great way of trying new products. So thank you very much to Arliz for getting me that. I was really giggly and chuffed to bits when I opened it. Thank you to everybody for watching this video. Sound off down in the comments below. Do you get Birchbox? Do you like it? Do you not? Have you tried it? Have you then cancelled it? Let me know what you think. Have you had this box that I've received? Have you tried the products? What do you think to them? Thank you for watching once again, and I shall see you all in my next one. Bye!